So at this point, you might be saying, where am I going to get content for my YouTube channel? First of all, you can get content from YouTube, but be careful doing that. Make sure that either one, you ask for permission from the people that you're asking to get content for, either sending them an email or something like that, or you make your video transformative and fair use by doing things like making it educational, doing a voiceover on the video, and writing an original script for the video to make it into your own video. Now, like I said, you can do this yourself or pay other people to make the videos for you, which I'm going to show you how to do in just a second. But first, if you were doing this yourself, what you would do is break this down into a process. And the first step of the process is choosing your niche. Let's say, for example, we're doing a channel in the car niche, just like these channels that I was showing you right here. And after you choose your niche, now you need video ideas. And the way we get video ideas is going to viral channels, just like this channel right here, Viral Vehicles, in your niche. Go to big channels in your niche and sort their uploads by their most popular uploads and see which videos of theirs got the most amount of views. And then take notes on which videos of theirs got the most amount of views. For example, this one right here, 6 cars banned in America. And as you can see, this video is 6 minutes long. Try to produce a better 10-minute version of this video and you can potentially get a lot more views. This is actually what I try to do within my YouTube operation with the 9 different channels that I run. We try to find viral videos that are only like 5-6 minutes long and recreate them, recreate 10-minute long versions at least of those videos, longer the better, and you're going to get a lot more watch time as a result, and sometimes even in some cases outperform the original video. Now, you don't want to copy the video word for word. What you want to do is write a script in your own words. Instead of just going over the 6 cars banned in America, go over the top 12 cars banned in America. And if that topic works so well, think about what other countries you might want to target as well. Maybe do the 6 cars banned in Japan, or the 6 cars banned in India, or whatever country you happen to be in, or the country you're trying to target, or just trying different countries out, since that topic of 6 cars being banned is such a big topic on YouTube as referenced by that video. And you can do the same for all these different videos on all these different channels. Take a look at the most popular videos, make notes of it. Another way to find popular videos is to go into YouTube right here and type in your niche. Let's say we wanted to make top 10 car videos. So we type in top 10 cars, we go to filter, we sort by the view count, then we go to filter again, and we sort by videos that have been uploaded in the past month. And these videos are getting a lot of views. So take notes on what's working right now so that you can potentially recreate this in your own way and make money as a result. And another bonus tip as well for producing videos, make sure that your videos are at least 8 minutes long so that you can put multiple ad breaks on your videos. I recommend putting one at about every 2 minutes throughout the video because you're gonna make a lot more ad revenue as a result. And another option for getting content as well is to use completely free stock footage websites like pixabay.com or pexels.com. And they have a ton of free videos and pictures that you can use for completely free. Or you can even go to paid websites like storyblocks.com and literally just pay like a monthly fee and get access to thousands upon thousands of videos that you can use within your videos for free. Do a voiceover on top of it and potentially get a lot of views on your videos. A lot of the top channels out there literally just use free stock footage in the backgrounds of their videos, and a great example channel of this would be the channel Brainy Dose, which is in the psychology niche. So after you choose your niche, you come up with a list of video ideas. I recommend around 33 video ideas. And then once you write scripts for all of these different video ideas, now it's time to record voiceovers. And there's a few different options to doing this. One option is to literally just use your phone. When I started out on YouTube, I had this really crappy iPhone with a bunch of cracks in the screen. And I literally just recorded voiceovers using this really crappy iPhone. And I got to the point of making $9,000 a month. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that you'll make that much if you just record videos with your phone, but I was very lucky to be able to do that, and it took a lot of trial and error as well, seeing what worked and what didn't. And now, with this channel right here and with this video right here, I can just straight up show you what works. So either use your phone or use a cheap microphone like the Blue Yeti Nano, or something just like the Zoom H1, which is actually what I'm using right now to record this video, plugged into this Sony lavalier mic. And like I said, you can get other people to do all of this stuff for you, which I'm gonna show you how to do in just a second. But now that you've got your videos recorded, now it's time to edit your videos. And I don't want you spending an arm and a leg on some expensive video editor when you can literally just get video editors that are free that can do the same thing. And some great examples of free video editors would be OpenShot, which you can check out at openshot.org, and a free editor called HitFilm Express. And try to do as many fast cuts throughout your videos as possible to increase audience retention or how long people watch your videos on average, because that'll give you more watch time and YouTube will recommend your content more as a result. And then once you edit your videos, now it's time to upload them. And what I recommend doing is scheduling your uploads one per day. So I recommend batching this entire process, doing all your voiceovers at once for the first month of your channel. And I recommend uploading around 30 videos for your first month, about one video a day. And then batching the recording of them, batching the script writing and all of that, batching all the video editing, do that in a couple of days. And then what I recommend doing is uploading all your videos to YouTube at once and then scheduling them to be published one video per day. And then that way you'll be a month ahead. You'll have 30 videos scheduled for the month ahead, and you could potentially take a break if you want to, or produce more content and get even further ahead. Now, look, I understand that in some instances it's really hard to upload one video a day, in which case you'll do 3 videos a week, and if you can't do that, then I recommend 1 video a week. Just something that you can do on a sustainable schedule. And now, like I promised you, I'm gonna reveal to you exactly how you can get other people to produce the content for you. And that's by putting together what I like to call a video creation machine. Meaning you get people to, first of all, write the scripts, and then you get someone to do the voiceover, and then you get another person to do the video editing, and then finally you get someone to make the thumbnails for your videos. And all you have to do in that entire process is coming up with video ideas and uploading the finished videos. And really, it doesn't take that much time if you're outsourcing this entire process, which is what I do on 8 of the 9 different channels I run. It really doesn't take that much time at all to do. And I recommend hiring people from both Upwork.com and Fiverr.com. Now, an extra bonus tip to make as much money as you possibly can doing this is to incorporate affiliate marketing into your channel, meaning promoting other people's products that you didn't even make on your channel to make a lot more money than potentially just from ad revenue alone. Now, the best places to find affiliate products to promote are both digistore24.com and clickbank.com. Or if you have your own product or business or service to promote, you can do that as well and potentially make a lot more than from just ad revenue. But a lot of these channels could be making a ton of money from just ad revenue alone. Now, let me ask you a question. If you had the choice between trying to do this all yourself, guessing what's going to work and learning through trial and error, or straight up discovering what works and working with someone who's already done this time and time again. If you chose the second option, I'd love to introduce you to my course and coaching program called Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0. Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 is a step-by-step blueprint that walks through exactly how I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels, how I actually generate my videos, get other people to make the videos for me, how I make sure my videos are optimized so that they get views and so that you're not just wasting your time with YouTube. Plus, you get to join a private community that I'm in every single day, answering as many questions as I possibly can so that you can get the help and support that you need along the way from someone who's actually done this. So if you're interested in Tube Mastery and Monetization, you can check out the link below this video right here.